This is how to do homework chapter 4, problem number 7 on binomial distributions. So at a fencing center, 60% of the fencers use a foil as their main weapon. They surveyed 25 fencers at the center, and they're interested in the number that do not use the foil as their main weapon. So because 60% of the people use the foil as the main weapon, 40% do not. Remember, these are complementary ideas. That's the important thing about a binomial. You either have success or failure. So if 60% use the foil, then the other 40% must not. Now, how many fencers do we expect not to use the foil? Well, to do that, remember, we take our probability, which is, in this case, 0.4, times the number of people surveyed, our sample size, 25. We multiply together, and we get 10. Find the probability that 11 people do not use the foil as their main weapon. Well, to do binomial distributions, we have to use the distribution key. So, second, vars, and then we scroll down to the binomial distributions. Now, because this is exactly 11 people, we use the binomial PDF. If it had been a cumulative group, we would use the CDF. So binomial PDF. How many trials were run? 25. What's the probability of success? 40%. How many people are we interested in having be successful? 11. We paste this in, and this gives us binomial PDF parentheses. This is the number of our sample. This is our probability of success, and this is the number of successes we're interested in. So if you have an older calculator, you have to put it in this format. And hit enter, and we get our probability. Now they want us to round to 4 decimal places. So it would be 0.1465. Remember, when we round, if the number to the left is bigger than 5, we round up. If it's less than 5, we round down. So based on numerical values, would you be surprised if all 25 did not use the main foil? Well, we can find out the probability of having 25 successes . And again, that's a PDF. But our new number is going to be 25. And we hit enter, and enter again. And we get a 1.12. Well, that's odd. This is probabilities have to be bigger than between 0 and 1. So if this is larger than 1, notice over here we have e to the negative 10. This means there are 9 zeros in front of that 1. So it's a very, very, very tiny number. So yes, it is very odd that all 25 would not be using it as their main weapon, because it is a lot less than 1%. So that is how we do problem 7 in chapter 4.